right. So this is starting to take shape.
The smaller the piece gets, the easier it is to work. The hotter it gets, quicker. Heavier blows when it's hot. As it starts to cool down, you want to ease off. When it starts to lose the orange, it's still hot, so you can still work it. You just don't want to hit it as hard as you were. But this is your point to straighten everything up, get everything even. It's always better to straighten things up, get it straight, get it even before you put it back in there, because that's one less step you have to do when it's hot. Why I tap the anvil, and I try to understand it myself, and it's not something I do on purpose, but I think it's a rhythm thing. I think I have to tap the anvil when I'm moving a piece or looking at a piece, because my arm, if I stop moving and start again, it's awkward. You're not going to hit the same. You're not going to hit with the same force or in the right spot. So if I always keep my hammer moving, I can always go back to where I was. So I can literally hit pause and tap the anvil, and then go back to what I was doing. It's something that a lot of people ask me. It's like, why do you tap the anvil? Is it a thing, or is it it's like an OCD thing? But I tried to realize that myself, because a lot of blacksmiths do it, and everybody's going to tell you something different. But for me, it's a timing thing, it's a feel thing, and it's something that, like I said, you see a lot of blacksmiths do it. I'll start working the blade.
Yes. Have so much video to play with. You do realize you're going to have to finish this up on your own, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just about done. 1 or 2 more heats, we're done.
Nice.
Well, then I gotta do the
Yeah,
thing.
and all of the like grinding and wire wheeling.
Yeah. That's ridiculous.
I love it.
When I first started, I was using the little 20-pound bottles.
Oh, dude, those things freeze up in a heartbeat.
Yeah. And you're using the same amount of propane. It's just you can't.
They can't keep up.
Well, it's not even that you're using that much at one time. Like, you know, those are made for gas grills, so you're gonna grill for 20 minutes. It's not made to run 3 hours straight. What time did you say you had to go?
About 4. I mean, we'll get this to the point where you can definitely tell what it's going to look like. And then you're going to have to do your own videos and send me the files for the rest of the process. Those scroll tongs. Love those things, dude. It's a nice set too.
I really don't use them that much. I
try to do most of my work on the horn.
Yeah. Most of my stuff I do on the anvil or on the horn.
Right.
But the scroll tongs, especially in that situation, do come in handy.
It's just losing heat so fast. Okay, so we are calling it quits for the day. We've gotten a pretty sweet blade shape accomplished, gotten the preliminary grinding done on it. I actually have to head back to Florence, and Brad is going to finish this up. You will be able to, we're going to upload both of these at the same time, so you can just drop down to the description on this video and you can find a link for his video. And then that'll take you over to his channel, and you should absolutely like that video and subscribe to him if you're interested in blacksmithing and cool stuff like that. Any thoughts?
Dude, thank you so much for coming.
Dude,
like,
thank you for having me.
It's been awesome.
This is a heck of an awesome way to spend a Sunday.
Oh yeah, definitely, definitely.
So hopefully we get these done soon. I'm excited.
Oh, it'll be sooner than later. I can guarantee.
Yeah. No, I mean just like projects.
Oh yeah.
So we've basically like now given each other several projects to work on, so it's going to be super fun.
Absolutely.
Hopefully I can get him to be doing regular uploads for his YouTube channel. That's fingers crossed. If that's something that you want to see, click the link in the description, go watch his video, and then just bomb his comments and let him know how much you want to watch this awesome dude do some really cool blacksmithing. Thank you for coming. Thank you for having me.
No, thank you for coming.
I'm freaking out right now. I can't even talk right. I'm going to go back to Florence. I'm excited to see what that looks like. And
yeah, I should definitely have this done and uploaded here. Yeah. Probably in the next couple of days. Absolutely.
Oh, yes. So I'm going to hit the road. Thank you so much for watching. And I hope you guys have an awesome, awesome week.